Number 1. 1984 Ford F250, price $7,000, well-preserved classic pickup truck showing around 150,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and features a brown exterior complemented by a clean, comfortable interior. Under the hood, it runs on a reliable 6-cylinder gasoline engine that delivers smooth performance and consistent power. This two-wheel-drive truck operates flawlessly, with no mechanical issues, and continues to demonstrate the durability and dependability Ford trucks are known for. It has been carefully maintained and drives great whether used for everyday transportation, light hauling, or weekend projects. The vehicle holds a clean title and is ready for immediate transfer. Number 2. 1988 Ford F150, price $10,000, powered by a strong 302 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission. This pickup delivers an authentic driving experience that combines power, control, and dependability. Its 4-wheel drive system ensures confident handling on a variety of terrains, from paved roads to rough trails, making it a versatile vehicle suited for both work and leisure. This particular model comes with several desirable upgrades and features. The dual exhaust system with headers not only enhances the truck's performance but also gives it a deep, commanding tone that reflects its power. The tinted windows add a sense of style and privacy while helping to keep the cabin cooler during sunny days. A tonneau cover provides secure storage in the truck bed, protecting cargo from the elements, while the aluminum wheels give the vehicle a clean, polished look that complements its rugged design. Number 3. 1976 Ford Ranger, price $10,000, it has 114,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. The truck comes with a black exterior paired with a red interior, running on gasoline. It is equipped with power steering and power brakes, making it easier and more comfortable to handle on the road. Although the air conditioning is not functional, the truck starts, drives, and stops well, indicating that it remains mechanically sound. The 302 automatic engine provides reliable performance, and while there is very little rust as shown in the pictures, it still reflects the solid condition of this vintage vehicle. This Ranger is not a show truck, but with some restoration work, it has strong potential to become one. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1993 Ford F250, price $10,000, it has covered 112,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, powered by a strong 7.5 V8, 460 engine. The truck is rear-wheel drive and comes in a clean white exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and timeless look. This particular F250 is equipped with mid-length steel street headers that feed into a 3-inch straight pipe exhaust, cut off neatly under the cab, adding a deep, powerful tone to its performance. A new battery was installed last year, and the truck runs and drives perfectly with no mechanical issues reported. In terms of condition, it's very clean both inside and out, showing only minor rust starting to appear in a few spots. It has never been driven during the winter, which has helped preserve its body and undercarriage. Additionally, the truck includes a set of larger rims and tires, enhancing both its stance and road presence. Number 5. 1971 Ford F100, price $10,000, features a manual transmission and comes in a striking green exterior paired with a matching green interior. Powered by a 302 V8 engine sourced from a 1970s Ford van, this truck delivers strong performance despite not having its original engine. It's equipped with a classic 3-on-the-tree 3-speed manual transmission, adding to its authentic vintage driving feel. While not a show-quality truck, it carries plenty of character with minor dents, dings, and minimal rust, along with a few cosmetic details that could be polished. The vehicle runs and shifts exceptionally well, making it a solid driver for short-distance trips. Sitting on old-school mag wheels with tires in good condition, it maintains a timeless stance that complements its rugged charm. Number 6. 1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,000. This truck has approximately 80,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. It comes in a white exterior paired with a burgundy interior, offering a classic two-tone look. The truck runs on diesel fuel and is powered by a 6.5L diesel engine. Currently, the truck does not run as the engine has low compression and was in the middle of a mechanical injection pump swap. Despite this, it presents an excellent opportunity for a restoration project or an LS engine swap, given its solid condition. As an Arizona truck, it has no rust, which makes it a strong foundation for anyone looking to rebuild or customize it.
Number 7.
1994 GMC Sierra, price $4,850, finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a matching burgundy interior. It presents a clean and cohesive look. Powered by a gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission, the Sierra delivers smooth and dependable performance with approximately 125,000 miles on the odometer. The truck comes equipped with convenient power locks and windows, as well as an AM/FM radio with an equalizer for an enhanced audio experience. Its 4WD system functions perfectly, providing confident handling and traction in various driving conditions. As a true Midwest truck, it has been well cared for and preserved over the years, maintaining its solid build and reliability.
Number 8.
1972 Ford F250, price $7,000, comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It features a white exterior with a matching interior, embodying the classic appeal of early 1970s Ford trucks. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable 360 engine paired with an automatic gearbox, and it's factory equipped with air conditioning and power steering, a notable combination for its time. While this F250 may show some cosmetic wear with slightly rough paint, it remains solid and straight overall, offering dependable performance that has never left its owner stranded. Recent maintenance includes a new water pump, spark plugs, plug wires, starting solenoid, and battery, ensuring strong mechanical reliability. There is a known power steering fluid leak, but the replacement part has already been sourced.
Number 9.
1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,000, showing only 124,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in brown exterior with a matching brown interior, this classic pickup retains its original stock condition. What makes this vehicle stand out is its rust-free body, particularly in the cab corners and rockers, which are typically trouble spots for trucks from this era. It's equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. Recent maintenance includes a new starter, distributor cap, and rotors, ensuring the truck remains in solid mechanical condition. The interior and frame are original and in good shape for their age, with only normal wear on the driver's seat, a testament to careful use over the years.
Number 10.
1985 Ford F250, price $5,500. This truck has approximately 200,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior, giving it a bold classic look. Powered by a strong 7.5L V8 gasoline engine, it delivers solid performance and reliability. According to the current owner, both the engine and transmission are in good working condition, making it a great foundation for a restoration or custom project. The truck is rust-free and comes with a bill of sale, highlighting its clean and well-maintained structure. With its durable build, classic styling, and powerful V8 engine, this 1985 Ford F250 stands out as an excellent project vehicle for enthusiasts or collectors looking to revive a dependable piece of Ford's heavy-duty history.